In this video, I'm going to share with you the roadmap to affiliate marketing success, even if you're a newbie over 50. Right, I'm going to give you a quick start guide. Because in this day and age, we all have our reasons why we're looking online to create businesses, and we may be a little bit concerned that maybe we might be too old, or we don't have the qualifications, or we don't have the knowledge, or all these things could be standing in our way as obstacles to moving forward with affiliate marketing. And in some cases, some affiliate marketing is sort of frowned upon, but that's because of the people who are doing it. Like there are good and bad eggs in every industry, okay? There's good and bad doctors, there's good and bad solicitors. So there's good and bad affiliate marketers. But if you do go about it the right way, you can generate a good income and look forward to your retirement, especially what's been happening in the world lately. If you're like me, like I'm at the time of shooting this video, I'm 58, and things got turned upside down in March this year, 2020. And now I'm sort of saying I really don't have what I wanted to have behind me. Like my path has changed dramatically since March. And I don't want to work till the day I lie on my deathbed, okay? So this is why I do that. And I've also got other personal reasons. I've got family reasons, okay? I've had a child who's had cancer twice, right? I don't want to be tied to a job, and I also want to be ensuring that I've got the funds and the resources behind me that I can always help him if the need arises, right? These are very personal reasons for me, and I'm sure you've got your own personal reasons as well. So that's just sort of being raw and transparent as to why I do what I do, right? So in this video, I'm going to take you through the steps to get started, okay? From the very beginning, what to look for, the best types of affiliate offers to promote, and the best ways to promote them. Okay, this isn't going to be a full-on affiliate training, but it's just going to give you some ideas. So hopefully sort of knock down some of those hurdles, dispel some of those myths and false beliefs that you may have, and help you get started on a very rewarding journey with affiliate marketing. So hang on a minute and we'll jump over to the computer and I'll take you through. Okay, so let's look at the basics, okay? What it takes to get started in affiliate marketing. And I said, it doesn't matter whether you're tech savvy, it doesn't matter how old you are, it doesn't matter about how much experience you've got, and it doesn't take a lot of money. This is what makes affiliate marketing so great, because the barriers to entry are low and you don't have to create a product. And tomorrow I should be creating a video on just that. I'm going to be talking about the 5 benefits to affiliate marketing. Also, throughout this entire series, we're at day 8, and I would want to congratulate you for getting here, okay? So we're at day 8, and throughout this series, I've been showing you, we've been pointing you to ways that you can create content and generate traffic and do it all for free. So everything I'm putting out here for you is something that you can generate and get started for free. You actually start to even generate money for free, because I can show you how to get a free web page builder. It's the best site builder in the world. It's the biggest. It's just going crazy at the moment. I can show you how to get a free account there, that you can set up your pages for free. You can set up your videos on YouTube for free, get them ranking on Google for free, because the website builder is all SEO optimized. It's all the tools. It's the tools that I use. Okay, I've got a paid version of the web builder platform, but no, I've built a lot of websites, okay, but the free version will get you going, and it's a great place to start. It's a fantastic place to start, because if you're just testing the waters, if you're not sure whether it's for you, if you're not sure of the concept, you can get this free account and you get a website builder. You can even build an email list of up to 500 members, all 500 email subscribers, all on a free account. So what are the basics? Okay, so firstly, it doesn't matter about your education. It doesn't matter about your age, race, creed, color. All that is out the window. This is an even and equal and fair playing field, okay? So all you've got to decide on is your niche. And we say that if you go out there and you try to promote to everybody, you don't promote to anybody because your message isn't resonating. You've really got to target focus. It doesn't mean that you can only have one audience, but it just means that whenever you're promoting a product, your message has to be clear and focused and resonate with the audience that you want to connect with, okay? So we always say that our vibe attracts our tribe, okay? And I love affiliate marketing, and I'm in my 50s. So my niche would be helping people in their 50s get started and successful with affiliate marketing, because we've got a similar mindset now. We're born in a similar time, and now we're facing similar issues, and we're approaching our retirement years, and we don't, like you, I don't want to be sitting at a computer or at the grind for years and years to come. I want to set myself up as a digital nomad. I want to be able to sit by the pool with a notepad, like with a computer and an internet connection, and just work wherever, if I choose to work. That's what I'm working towards. Your goals may be totally different, and that's the point. Affiliate marketing can help you achieve whatever goals they may be. So choose your niche, and then next, and all these are interwoven, okay? And then you select your platform. And what I mean by your platform is, depending on your niche, depending on your audience, they will be on certain parts of the internet. Now, they've got to be on the internet, obviously, because affiliate marketing is internet based. So it's no use selecting a niche that isn't online. So they've got to be online, but where online are they? What social media do they use? Are they in forums? Are they on Facebook? Do they use YouTube? Do they use TikTok? Do they use Snapchat? Do they use Instagram? Okay, so Pinterest. I mean, the list goes on and on once again. So where does your niche hang out? Because once again, that's going to affect, it's going to drive the way that you actually promote the product in the first place. And of course, you go through and you select your product. Now, ideally, what you do is you choose a product that you're already using. Like, the stuff that I promote is the stuff that I've invested in and used myself. As I said, I promote a program called SAS Affiliate. I have invested in, I spent money in it myself, and every month I pay to stay part of the inner circle because I know the value is so great. So I've got no problems recommending that program to anybody because I know the value. I know that Jason Clory just delivers over and over and over. He delivers way over any expectation. So I've got no hesitation in recommending his system, okay? When it comes to group pages or group funnels, that's what I use for my website. I use it every single day. I've got no hesitation recommending it. Okay, it is in beta at the moment, and sometimes it has a glitch here and there, but if you're sort of willing to sort of work through that, you will be rewarded, okay? Because I came in as a backer. I bought lifetime membership at an amazing deal, and now as the software matures, I'm going to enjoy the benefits of everything they bring out now and in the future, and I don't have to pay a cent anymore for the platform. So it's always best to choose things that you know and that you trust and that you could recommend, okay, and that you're passionate about, because your passion will always come through. And you also know that if you are promoting something that is good, then there's less of a chance that something's going to come back at you, okay? So that's what I do. Also, I actually prefer to promote the higher ticket, like the stuff where I'm going to get at least like $100 or $80 commission for. Because that way, then obviously I may not be selling as many, but I get a better commission and probably a better quality of buyer coming through. Recurring income is also very good. So software as a service, so promoting software products. So sometimes, it may not be a lot per month, but if you if you make 400 or 500 or 600 sales, and that's a recurring thing at say $20 a month, you can see how this all starts to add up. And then of course you create the content. So as I've said through my other videos, I prefer to do things with video, and I prefer video for so many reasons, but one is that you can repurpose video so easily. Like you can create a long video, and then you can cut that video up into little snippets of between 30 seconds and a minute to post on Instagram. You can pull quotes out of the video. You can pull memes out of the video. You can have the video transcribed. You can have it turned into a blog post. So basically from one video, you can produce 50 odd pieces of content. Okay, so that's why I like to use video. And then of course with that video, I know how to optimize it, and I can, if you want to know more about how to optimize it, I can show you how to get the 5-step ranking system. But optimize the video up on YouTube. That puts you then on the first page of Google. So when people are searching for that product, there's a chance that once you're ranked, that they'll see your video or your website, and they'll click on it, and away through you go. Okay, and of course then you start sending traffic. But generally, your traffic will start to flow automatically once you get things optimized. And there are lots of other things that you can do as you become more advanced, but this is a good starting point. And if you just follow this thing, you can get a website set up, start to create an email list, send people to offers, and start generating affiliate commissions. And the good thing about affiliate commissions is, once again, you can make as much or as little as you like. If you just want to make a little bit on the side, then you just do it in your free time. If you want to do this more on a more full-time basis, you can. So it's something that can scale and grow with you. Okay, it does take practice. It doesn't happen overnight, obviously, right? I'm not making any income claims here. I'm not making any promises. Your results will be based purely on, firstly, the product that you choose, the audience that you promote to, and the efforts that you put in. Okay, that's the bottom line. I'm making money literally while I sleep. I know it's a bit of a cliche term, but you can do it. Because once you've got things set up properly on the internet, that means that people from all around the world, all different time zones, are hitting your website day in, day out, 24 hours a day, get an endless stream of traffic coming to your website, and some buy, some don't. Once again, it depends on the offer, it depends on how you're targeting. And once again, in what I can show you in future trainings is how to ensure, how to increase that conversion rate by just being genuine and giving, right? Lead with value and provide value to people, become a resource, get their trust. And then when you recommend a product, they're more likely to go with that product because they've come to trust you, and they've come to trust your recommendation. And that's all affiliate marketing is referral marketing. All you're doing is you're just referring a product that you know and trust onto somebody else. Okay? So that's that for the day. So my question is, have you actually tried affiliate marketing in the past? And have you been successful? What's worked for you? What hasn't worked for you? Love to hear from you. Just stick the comment. I see it in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, please like it. And also hit the subscribe button and the little bell, and you'll be notified every time I release a new video. In tomorrow's video, as I said, I'm just going to go through the 5 benefits of affiliate marketing and why it really is a great online business starter to get you started in the online world. Even if you're new or veteran, affiliate marketing is amazing. Okay, so that's it for today. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Until then, you take care.